In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to route with Jobber. If you're looking to efficiently manage your team's daily schedules and ensure that jobs are completed on time, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the process step by step so that you can confidently make the most of Jobber and its features. To start, you'll need to log into your Jobber account. Once you're logged in, the first thing you want to do is navigate over to the Schedule section. This is where all the magic happens in terms of organizing your team's day. Here you'll be able to see all the jobs that need to be assigned for the day and ensure that everything is in place for smooth operations. Now it's time to assign these jobs to a team member. By carefully selecting who will handle each job, you can improve efficiency and make sure that your team members are not overwhelmed. Take your time to consider the strengths and current workload of each team member before assigning tasks. Once you've made your decisions, simply click on a job and assign it to the appropriate person. After you've assigned the jobs, it's essential to open the employee's schedule or route view. This step is crucial as it gives you a visual representation of their day. You can see which jobs are scheduled and how the day is structured for each team member. Having this overview makes it easier to manage time and resources effectively. To further optimize your team's schedule, you can use the Optimize Route feature, if it's available on your plan. This handy tool rearranges the job sequence in a way that minimizes travel time and maximizes productivity. However, if this feature isn't available, you can still manually arrange the jobs in a desired order. Consider starting with jobs that are geographically closer together to save on travel time and fuel costs. Very practical if you want to enhance efficiency. Once you've organized the schedule, click on a job address to open directions in your preferred map app, like Google Maps or Apple Maps. This enhances navigation and helps to keep your team on track without any unnecessary detours. Ensuring your team has the most efficient route is crucial for staying on schedule and meeting customer expectations. Finally, it's good to remind field workers that they can view their route in the Jobber mobile app. This app is a great tool because it keeps everyone updated with real-time changes or new assignments, which minimizes confusion and ensures that everyone has the information they need to perform their jobs effectively. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your team is prepared, your customers are satisfied, and your day progresses smoothly. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to routing with Jobber. Stick around for more useful tips and guides in our upcoming videos.